Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a Superformance Cobra 392 Ford Racing crate motor making 430 horsepower. This car is amazing. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of it, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see how clean the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, look at that Ford Racing motor. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Superformance investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you now. So let's take a nice close look at this Superformance Cobra. Now these cars are built over in South Africa, so they're completely assembled over there. All the body work's done there, the paint work's done, the whole chassis is all done there, all the gauges, all the accessory, everything is factory built. When they get over here to the US, the only thing they slip in is the motor of choice, and they chose a great one. 392 Ford Racing crate motor. 430 horse. This silver paint is beautiful, and it's being protected up here in the front by a clear bra, which is a great idea on these cars. Of course, everything fits great. It's got this slick, beautiful silver paint job on it. The side pipes are jet coated, and these are real knockoffs, guys. Just like in the day when Carroll Shelby was racing these cars and beating old Enzo Ferrari's ass with them. Now we got beautiful carpet in there. The upholstery on the seats is in good shape. It's just got the lap belts, and I'm sure it's got the preparation to add the shoulder belts if you'd like. I'm pretty sure all the cars come with that. Wood steering wheel, all the gauges look good, the dash looks great. We got the 5-speed shifter in here, so you got 5th gear, so you can hit top end on this baby. You can get out on the expressway and have a blast. I'm not gonna tell you how fast I've had one of these going because it might get me in trouble. We've got a chrome roll bar here. We'll get inside the trunk. Look at that, look how nice and clean it is. We got a battery shut off in there. See that little red flag in there? That's how you shut off your battery. Just a beautiful car. Of course, we got a racing fuel fill there. When you look down the side of the car, man, these cars are great. All those curves, all the body work's phenomenal. That silver paint is popping. Those black stripes look great on it. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we buy about 40 new cars every month. And we own all of our inventory here. Right now we've got about 240 in stock. Now I'm involved in buying every one of our cars here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience messing around with muscle cars, street rods, and hot rods like this one, parking your dream in your drive. All right, let's take our Superformance Cobra for a ride. It's got Ford Racing motor in it, making a ton of horsepower. And of course, Superformance, best Cobra on the market, guys. This thing is sweet, handles like it's on rails, factory built. You're gonna love it when you park this dream in your drive. This thing is sweet, guys. Now, whenever I go to a car show, I hop in a Cobra, and you can bet if we got a Superformance on the floor, it's coming with me. I drive these cars all the time. This is the best car in the market, guys. This thing is sweet. And that Ford Racing motor, man, this will get up and go. 430 horse in this one. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Cobra anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now I know everybody probably thinks we're crazy driving this thing in 30-degree weather, but you know what? I was out driving one in 20-degree weather a couple weeks ago. It's worth it. It gets your blood going. Now look down here on the dash. All the gauges are right here where you need them. Everything's working. It looks great. Now we're open 6 days a week. We'd love to have you come out and visit, and we own all of our inventory. We don't do any consignment whatsoever, and we're always bringing Cobras in, guys. And I tell you what, these Superformances are flying off the shelf. So if you're interested in this one, give Tom a call, and we'll get this baby parked in your driveway so you can go out and have some fun. This guy's turning, of course, no turn signal. Thanks, buddy. He just wanted to check out this badass ride. Listen to that exhaust, man. That's just about a quarter throttle. What a sweet ride we've got here, guys. Like I said, we're right outside of the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. So if you'd like to come in and visit and check this Cobra out, we'll even come down to the airport and pick you up, no problem whatsoever. And we're here on Saturdays. If you want to road trip it in, we're here till 3 o'clock. Just call Tom and let him know we're coming. Now we're gonna do something nobody else in the industry does this, guys. We're gonna get this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood and see what's making the power under the hood. All right, we're underneath this Superformance now, and man, she's clean underneath too. Of course, it's got independent rear suspension, disc brakes out back, big sway bar. This is a Ford 8.8. It's got a 373 gear, and of course, it is Posi. Nice and clean under here. Superformance does such a beautiful job with their frames, the welds, everything's amazing. All these cross members, all the wiring is P-clipped to the frame, looks great. We got a TKO 5-speed trans here. It does have a hydraulic clutch in it. And this Ford Motorsports 392 motor making a ton of power. I can see the SVO markings on the back sides of the heads here. Jet-coated headers and side pipes, they look great. Sway bar up front, Willwood disc brakes up front, rotors look good, coilovers holding up the front, does have electric fans. It looks like it's got dual electric fans up here, and it is an aluminum radiator. It does have manual rack and pinion steering. Just an amazing ride here, guys. Like I said, I've said it a million times, Superformance, one of my favorites. Now let's take a look at those real knockoff wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got the GT40 style wheels. These are the real knockoffs Carroll Shelby ran in the races. We've got 255/60 15s, and that's where the music's coming out right there, guys. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, of course, we got some extra rubber on the ground because this is where the horsepower meets the ground. 295/50 15s. Again, the true knockoffs, and right there, that's what's making it sing right there. Let's get under the hood and take a look at that 392 stroker. All right, under the hood here, we got this Ford Racing block. You can see it says Ford Motorsports right here on the aluminum intake. It's got a Demon 4-barrel on it. It is a double pumper. It is dual feed. They've chromed up the overflow tank here. The cross member, here's where all the information is. It's got a state of California tag on it, and then your VIN numbers there. Then your Superformance numbers are over here. Solenoid, just like all Fords have on it. That's the reservoir for the hydraulic clutch. It does have power brakes. I know you guys can't see it from here, but I can see it from this direction. And there is a regulator. It's got a Motorcraft regulator on it too. Everything under here is nice and clean, nicely painted, and this baby is making some horsepower. They build some awesome motors, and that's why they use them in these cars. Guys, give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.